Today I'm gonna make a lead core leader, and for that I'm gonna use the Fox camo lead core at 45 pounds of strength, 20.4 kilograms. This is the light camo. And what else you're gonna need? Well, a pair of scissors, a ruler if you want really to measure it, a couple of splitting needles, a lead clip right here, a cone, and a quick release shivel. Now I'm also going to include with them a normal shivel right here, just for a quick change, and I'm going to use this. And first of all, I'm going to take a piece of about 85 centimeters of lead core, and I have it marked right here on my board. That's about it right there. There we go. So that's about 85 centimeters. Cut it off. And at one end, strip about 10 centimeters off, revealing the wire inside. Right here on the table I have this marked. This is 10 centimeters right there. Cut that off. Starting with this end. Now find where the metal has stopped, which is about here, and insert your splitting needle. You need smaller hands for this, but it's gonna work. It's a fiddly job. So push the splitting needle through about half the way up, so about 5 centimeters. And then push it over on this side. Grab this end, put it to the splitting needle. It's going to catch on. And then slowly pull it back through the braid. And once to get about this side right here, and hold this and pull the needle out. Smooth this with your hands, and that's it. It's very strong now, you can see. You can pull onto it and it doesn't go anywhere. The braid has worked and tightened. Now to make it easier for me on this end, I'm gonna put a quick release shivel through the loop method. Just put this through. Then get the other end and pass it through the eye, like so. Pull this and just tighten it at the end. And that's the quick release right here, and you can easily swap this and just put a normal shivel on it. Okay, and for now, because it's easier, I'm gonna put the lead clip right here. Push this through, and the cone. And these are going to be on this side. I put one, the end, push it through, and then cover it with my cone. So that's one end of it. The quick shivel rotates freely, and to this end we'll do the same thing, as in strip 10 centimeters off, and I'll do the same with the splitting it down. This is the hardest part, but just because once you get used to this needle, it's going to be much easier. So 5 centimeters, and push this through. Catch the end. And pull it slowly, and when you get about this side again, that will do. This is enough to get this end on the main line. Hold and pull this, then smooth out the blade. And right at the end, just so I don't lose it, I'll add this swivel onto this quick clip so they stay together. So that's how easy you can make a leadcore leader with a quick release swivel, normal swivel on it, the lead clip and the cone to protect it.